After I did my talk, they reminded me that I'd offered to do a lightning talk, and I'd said I can do how to do teal, or I can do self-management, and I thought, well, that's exactly what I did this morning. So in the breaks, people asked me, well, one person asked me about marketing, and I thought, well, I've been doing some marketing courses over the last year, and I thought, let's share this experience. Instead of doing what most software companies do, which is respond to bids, they get a request for proposals, they frantically try to create a document answering the questions or the requirements in the request, and then they push it in only to realize that they're probably number 7 on a list of 15 that have applied. So, waste of time. In one large organization, as the solution architect, I was involved in 15 bids in the first year. We won none. And yet it was 20, 30 people at a time getting involved in these responses. I thought a total waste of time and money. The internet marketing people do it completely differently. They create a sales funnel. They attract people who have a problem. Thousands of them. They don't care. As long as that person or those people identify with the problem that you're advertising a solution for, they follow into the funnel. They don't know anything about you. They don't need to know anything about you. You've offered them an aspirin for that pain. Okay? They go into the funnel. You might get 10 come out, and you might get 1 that signs up. But that's 1 more than you had. There's the simple messages. You can put multiple messages in. So different messages for the different pains. And then you need lead magnets. I don't know whether any of you know about lead magnets. I didn't a year ago. I do now. In fact, I know far more than I wanted to. You can have multiple lead magnets, and that will lead each of the people who have the different pains into the different parts of the funnel. You're doing nothing at this point. There are systems out there that will set these funnels up, and you just add some content. The lead magnets. Now then, videos are good lead magnets. Videos are extremely good lead magnets. Guess what AgileByExample is doing at this conference? It's creating lead magnets for next year's conference with all these videos. They're going up onto YouTube. People will point to them. It'll gain more interest, and people will come here next year, hopefully. I've also put about these short documents, which will have insights. And this last point, I've tried to explain it a few times. You don't write these short documents. You do a video. You then send the video off to be transcribed. Then it comes back. It costs about $1 per minute for the video to be transcribed. It'll look terrible. You never look at it. You then immediately give it to an editor who takes that transcription and the video and then edits it and tidies up. Then you look at that document, and then you've got a document you can send out. Okay? There is some other thing that you can prepare, which is a proposal. Instead of just responding to bids, you send a standard document which has 3 outcomes or has 3 solution levels. So don't keep doing bids or responses, just send them this document. Right, all of these people are internet marketing people. They're all worth listening to or watching or reading their stuff because they are making millions. Most of them are making millions out of nothing. They start with an idea, they do it, they create the business, they then sell the business, and then they go off and do it again. Usually because they've got divorced and they've got a settlement that is costing them millions. I think that's it. I'm done. Thank you very much.